So hello. Yes, I submitted a game to a game jam ever for the first time. It was the GTMK Game Jam 2020, which is the biggest game jam ever. And for those of you who doesn't know what a game jam is, it is where you make a game in a very short amount of time and just submit it. And which you see, there are a lot of entries in this game jam. You can see all of the submissions in this page, and there are so many games here. And my submission is this little game, which is called Out of Home. So I will include this link in the description, and I would very much enjoy if you would take a look. You can play it from this page. It doesn't require any downloads, and you can just run it in the browser. You just click the Run Game button. You can also make it full screen with this icon. So as you can see, it has a simple menu. It has UI buttons. You can click credits here and click here to play the game. So it has this little tutorial here. It's actually tells you just click, because it has only one mechanic. Your goal is to reach to that portal in each level and avoid these obstacles here. You can also destroy them, but the force will direct you to the opposite direction. So there are a total of 6 levels, and the idea behind it is that this ship, so as you can observe, it gets some random forces. It's because the main navigation unit is broken. So the only way to move is to shoot bullets to stay in balance and move in a direction. As you can see, the level design is not so bright. There are a lot of creativity here. I was just being lazy, and I just wanted to create a game and be done with it, because as I'm saying, in a game development or in any project, the hardest part is finishing it. And we will finish the game right now. Yeah. So these are the assets I used in my game, and I will also include them in the description. So yeah, this is my little game, which I submitted to a game jam ever. Yeah, and if you want to see me make this game from scratch in another video, please let me know, because it's such an easy game. You can build it in a day, in a couple of hours, and it's a great way to learn, because it has pretty much the basic core concepts of the Unity game engine. It has the UI, it has rigid bodies, colliders, and input. We get the input from the mouse, and we have scenes. So each scene is a different level. So as you can see, this is a different scene, and we load that scene, and whenever we, let's say, get out of bound, the current one is restarted. So yeah, please let me know if you want to see me make this game from scratch, and I would very much be appreciated if you just take a look
at the game and play it, or leave a comment. If we would just play it, I would be really appreciate it. So thank you for watching, and see you later.